put 'em together. People and Schmidt's. Full taste beer for that friendlier feeling.
Swing up with Schmidt's, the bright beer. Tune up with Schmidt's, the light beer. Serve up Schmidt's, the right beer. Get the friendlier feeling of full taste Schmidt's.
Yes, put 'em together, Schmidt's and People. Full taste beer for that friendlier feeling. Schmidt's is more fun to drink. It's brewed naturally from the finest grains, the finest hops, the finest of everything. It's beer as beer should be. Full taste beer. Yes, it's Schmidt's full taste beer for that friendlier feeling. All over the East, wherever people have fun, people have Schmidt's. Get light, bright Schmidt's. Full taste beer for that friendlier feeling. Schmidt's of Philadelphia.